Asian Paints presents New Business Ace Conclave and Business Excellence Awards 2013, the roadmap to doubling of growth of the Nepali economy to 7% GDP in association with Seagram's Royal Stack and National Insurance Company. 24th August 2013 at Solti Crown Plaza. Media partner Arthik Abhiyan, The Corporate, Himalaya Television, Headlines and Music FM. Supported by Nepal Life Insurance.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the New Biz Awards. Welcome back. Welcome once again to the New Biz Awards ceremony presented by Asian Paints. After an in-depth discussion, ladies and gentlemen, on how to achieve higher growth rate of Nepali economy throughout the afternoon today, we now embark upon the ceremonious plane of honoring the best 10 achievers in various categories in business and entrepreneurship in this country. Let me once again call the Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of the New Business Age Group, Mr. Madan Lamsal, to give his perspective on these awards and why and how the process of awarding best business houses and leaders has been initiated from this year. Mr. Madan Lamsal.
Chairman, Board of Jury, Mr. Prabhakar Shamsher Rana, Honorable Consular, Economic Consular of Indian Embassy based in Birganj, Anju Ma'am, Secretaries of Government of Nepal, jury members of different category of awards, leaders of Nepal's corporate world, partners, friends and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, welcome you all. Now this is the moment of complete rejoicing, of celebration, of finding our role models from the world of business, enterprise and entrepreneurship. I feel honored to welcome you all to the first edition of New Biz Business Awards and feel proud to share the fulfillment of a dream we all in New Biz family saw for several years now. This is the moment for which we waited for so long. We know that the personalities and businesses that are being honored today did not pursue their ventures with the expectation of such honors. In fact, such honors may not make any difference to them personally, but we hope it will inspire new generation of entrepreneurs who will take this towering personality of Nepal's business world as their role models to be successful even in difficult situations like now. And that is exactly the objective behind this exercise of ours. We ourselves feel honored with this opportunity to honor these potential role models of Nepal's future generations. We hope you will do more in the future. We look forward to your higher achievements and investment in social good and corporate social responsibility in the years to come. Thanks and regards.
Thank you, Mr. Lamsal. Thank you for shedding light on the initiative. And here, I feel it's important to mention that the 10 awards, award winners to be named and honored in the next hours have been selected by two-tier jury process after going through detailed research on each of the shortlisted organizations and business leaders. Each category, ladies and gentlemen, had an independent jury which shortlisted 3 possible winners, from which, based on available facts and figures in public domain and as shared by the organizations, the lead jury selected the final winners. At this stage, we would like to share a short video on the entire jury process for these awards, courtesy our television partner, Himalaya Television. Can we have the AV presentation there?
Asian Paints presents New Business Ace Conclave and Business Excellence Awards 2013, the roadmap to doubling of growth of the Nepali economy to 7% GDP in association with Seagram's Royal Stack and National Insurance Company. 24th August 2013 at Solti Crown Plaza. Media partner Arthik Abhiyan, The Corporate, Himalaya Television, Headlines and Music FM. Supported by Nepal Life Insurance.
it's a good initiative because we all talk of the private sector's role in country's economic development, but we didn't have this sort of incentive.
Okay.
So it's a first incentive when you receive a prize, recognition, then that should fuel more effort, more quality. One is that. The second is, as I've said, we talk of various organizations. All the criteria there, if you go through and if all the body go through carefully, that itself will show what are required to be a good company.
निजी क्षेत्रबाट जुन एन्टरप्रेन्योरहरू जन्मिनु भएको छ, जसरी यस्तो एडभर्स इकोनोमिक सिचुएसनमा पनि काम गरिदिनु भएको छ, उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ नि हामीले रिकगनाइज गर्नुपर्छ। यसमा एकदमै हाई लेभल, एकदमै क्रेडिबल यो समाजका लब्ध प्रतिष्ठित आफ्नो क्षेत्रका विज्ञहरू यसमा जुरी मेम्बरको रूपमा हुनुहुन्छ। अनि हामीले जुरीमा पनि दुई किसिमको हिसाबले गरेका छौँ। एउटा सेक्टरल जुरीहरू, अर्को चाहिँ नि लिड जुरी भनेर त्यो जुरीले दिएको चाहिँ नि नोमिनेसन, सर्टलिस्ट गरेको नोमिनेसनमा फाइनल त्यो लिड जुरीले गर्ने भनेर हामीले दिएका छौँ। र खास गरी हामीले जुन प्यारामिटरहरू चाहिँ नि सजेस्ट गरेका छौँ, त्यो प्यारामिटरहरू पनि अलिकति परम्परागतभन्दा अलिकति भिन्दै, खास गरी हाम्रो आर्थिक पत्रकारितामा, व्यावसायिक पत्रकारितामा यो 20औं वर्षको जुन अनुभव छ, त्यो अनुभवको आधारमा हामीले कम्पनीहरूले कसरी पर्फर्म गरिरहेछन्, साना कम्पनीहरूले कसरी गरिरहेछन्, ठुला कम्पनीहरूले कसरी गरिरहेछन्, वित्तीय क्षेत्रले कसरी गरिरहेछ भन्ने कुरा लेखिरहेका छौँ, देखिरहेका छौँ। त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ नि हामीले कमसेकम प्यारामिटरमा राख्ने कोसिस गरेका छौँ। यो मिडिया हाउसले गरे र खास गरी हाम्रो यत्रो वर्षको अनुभवको हिसाबले गरे हुनाले चाहिँ हामी कुनै पनि बिजनेस हाउसप्रति, व्यक्तिप्रति फर अथवा अगेन्स्टमा हुन सक्दैनौँ भन्ने कुरा पनि हुँदैन। र हाम्रा 3-3वटा पत्रिका नै त्यसका प्रमाण हुन्, यत्र वर्षदेखि हामीले गरिरहेको हिसाबले। त्यस कारण चाहिँ हामी अलिकति अझ हाई क्रेडिबल, अझ यो समाजको चाहिँ यो फरक हो, मिडियाले पनि कसरी हेरिरहेछ भन्ने खालको हामीले गर्नु खोजेको हुनाले यो फरक हो।
The new business has done the first time these kinds of this award ceremony on different sectors and different fields. Either it may be the bank or insurance company or the medium scale industries or these kinds of this social entrepreneur and also this women entrepreneur also. This is first times, and I think that this kinds of program will focus to enhance any kinds of industry or the service sectors also. It enhance the entrepreneurship, it enhance the business leadership. So this is also the milestone to economy, and this should be continued.
For the first time that you see a journal has initiated this thing. So first we decided on the criteria of selecting this, then selection of a jury, then after that collecting the data, analyzing this data properly, then we formed different sub-juries, in fact, sub-juries for different areas. Then after that, now we got the selection. So from our side, we have tried to keep the selection process quite fair, unbiased.
Asian Paints presents New Business Ace Conclave and Business Excellence Awards 2013, the roadmap to doubling of growth of the Nepali economy to 7% GDP, in association with Seagram's Railstack and National Insurance Company. 24th August 2013 at Solti Crown Plaza. Media partner Arthik Abhiyan, The Corporate, Himalaya Television, Headlines and Music FM. Supported by Nepal Life Insurance.
After an in-depth discussion, ladies and gentlemen, on how to achieve higher growth rate of Nepali economy throughout the afternoon today, we now embark upon the ceremonious plane of honoring the best 10 achievers in various categories in business and entrepreneurship in this country. Tonight, 10 business people will be singled out for the successful way they have run their businesses. Their success comes not merely for their determination, innovation, industriousness, than merely a positive bottom line. However, before we go further, ladies and gentlemen, let me once again call the Chairman and Editor-in-Chief of the New Business Age Group, Mr. Madan Lamsal, to give his perspective on these awards and why and how the process of awarding best business houses and leaders has been initiated from this year. Mr. Madan Lamsal.
Now this is the moment of complete rejoicing, of celebration, of finding our role models from the world of business, enterprise and entrepreneurship. I feel honored to welcome you all to the first edition of New Biz Business Awards and feel proud to share the fulfillment of a dream we all in New Biz family saw for several years now.
Thank you, Mr. Lamsal. Thank you for shedding light on the initiative. And here, I feel it's important to mention that the 10 awards, award winners to be named and honored in the next hours have been selected by two-tier jury process after going through detailed research on each of the shortlisted organizations and business leaders. Each category, ladies and gentlemen, had an independent jury which shortlisted 3 possible winners, from which, based on available facts and figures in public domain and as shared by the organizations, the lead jury selected the final winners. Let me have the pleasure now of introducing the lead jury who made the final selection. At the helms of the lead jury as its chairman has been Mr. Prabhakar Samsher Jangabahadur Rana, Chairman Emeritus, Solti Hotels Limited. And the members are Dr. Badri Prasad Ojha, former Director General, FNCCI, Mr. Rameshwar Khanal, former Finance Secretary, Government of Nepal, Dr. Vijay Kesi, Dean, South Asian Institute of Management, Mr. Sanjeev Subba, Chief Executive Officer, National Banking Training Institute. May I now request the Chairman of the lead jury, Mr. Prabhakar Samsher Jangabahadur Rana, to kindly speak a few words on his experience during this whole evaluation process of selecting the winners. Mr. Rana, please.
First of all, my job here is to say how delightful and how grateful me and my colleagues are on the lead jury for your trust on us, as well as for all the support we needed. I would say the selection has been more than fair.
And now for the first set of awards, that is the Best Managed Company overall for 2013. Let me first request Management Guru, Professor Dinesh Chapagai, who is also the member of the jury of Best Managed Company, to share some of his experience on jury process on this particular category.
Well, we have trusted to select the best managed company in joint venture as well as non-joint venture, non-financial. In our group, there were 4 jury members. So we started our discussion with that. Is it the profit that really claims that the company is managed the best?
Thank you, Professor Chapagai. May I request Mr. Rameshwar Khanal to declare the winner? and also Mr. Mahesh Guragai from the Institute of Chartered Accountant of Nepal.
The best managed company of the year 2013 goes to Eti Airlines Private Limited.
We have Mr. Vijay Shrestha, Executive Director of Yeti Airlines, receiving the award for the best company of Nepal for the year 2013.
It's an honor not given to Yeti Airlines, myself or my entrepreneurial and management team. It's an honor given to a Nepali spirit, the entrepreneurial spirit, the managerial capability of the indigenous people.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we are talking about the best managed joint venture multinational company in Nepal for the year 2013.
Well, the best managed joint venture company of the year 2013, guess who? It's Unilever Nepal Limited.
Thank you so much. First of all, I want to thank the jury for actually selecting us. So it's indeed a great burden now you're placed on us. We got to do now more to ensure that we do this.
And now, before conferring the next award, Best Managed Commercial Bank, Development Bank, and Finance Companies of Nepal for 2013, 3 categories, ladies and gentlemen. I request a seasoned banker, Mr. Parshuram Kumar, on behalf of the member of the jury of Best Managed Bank and Financial Institutions of all these 3 categories, to share some of his experiences on jury process.
In our group, we were 4, like other groups, Dr. Bishambar Pakuril, Rajesh Kaji Shrestha, and Sudarshan S.R. Pandey, and myself. And I believe we have done our level best based on the information made available to us.
In that case, again, may I once again place my request to Mr. Madan Lamsal.
Best Managed Commercial Bank of the year 2030. Any guess?
You can take your guesses.
Everest Bank Limited.
Yes, you know it's true. We have to receive the awards. The Best Managed Commercial Bank of Nepal 2013, Everest Bank.
Banking is a subject matter of trust, and it is the trust of nearly 6 lakh customers of mine of Everest Bank, whether depositors or borrowers. The depositors who have invested their hard-earned money, having full faith in our bank, and the borrowers who know that we will stand by them in thick and thin.
And now for giving the next award, which is about the Best Managed Development Bank.
The Best Managed Development Bank of the year 2013 is Clean Energy Development Bank.
Energy Development Bank.
We would like to thank New Business Age and the jury member for this recognition. We strive to serve you better in the days ahead. Thank you once again. I would like to thank.
Now we move further. This time it is the Best Managed Finance Company. And to give away the awards, can we have on stage Mr. Sanjeev Subba to declare the winner, and Mr. Rajkumar Bhatrai, along with Mr. Sudarshan Raj Pandey, to do the honors.
Well, Best Managed Finance Company of the year 2013 goes to my favorite city. That is Phewa Finance Company Limited from Pokhara.
Phewa Finance Company Limited, the best money for 2013.
जुन चिजले मलाई मफसलमा जुन राजधानीभन्दा बाहिर रहेर पनि आज मलाई हाम्रो टिमलाई र फेवा फाइनान्सलाई बेस्ट म्यानेज फाइनान्स कम्पनीको रूपमा जुन किसिमको एवार्डेड गरियो, यो सर्वप्रथम त म यहाँको यो जुन जुरी कमिटीलाई मुरी धन्यवाद दिँदै र यो म मेरो फेवा फाइनान्स कम्पनीको सम्पूर्ण टिममा समर्पण गर्न चाहन्छु।
Asian Paints presents New Business Ace Conclave and Business Excellence Awards 2013, the roadmap to doubling of growth of the Nepali economy to 7% GDP, in association with Seagram's Railstack and National Insurance Company. 24th August 2013 at Solti Crown Plaza. Media partner Arthik Abhiyan, The Corporate, Himalaya Television, Headlines and Music FM. Supported by Nepal Life Insurance.
No matter what, protect your walls with Royale. It comes with Teflon Surface Protector.
सबैलाई रातो टीका, सबैलाई नेपाल लाइफ।
चिरञ्जीवी भव नेपाल लाइफ, किनकि जीवन अमूल्य छ। अब नेपाल लाइफको रु 60 देखि 80 सम्मको सर्वाधिक बोनस दरले उच्चतम प्रतिफल प्राप्त गर्नुहोस्।
यी थिए सामान्य समाचार। अब आर्थिक समाचार। माफ गर्नुहोला।
ताजा आर्थिक समाचार खोज्नु भएको
हो।
पढ्नुहोस् आर्थिक अभियान राष्ट्रिय दैनिक। हरेक दृष्टि आर्थिक कोण।
Back then, I had it all. A big mansion, celebrity parents, and some say a silver spoon. But closer to my heart was a question: have I made it large? From silver spoon to the silver screen, and then to 1 billion hearts. The journey was tough, but Langra Tyagi made it. So did the same question: have I made it large? Even today, it seems I have it all. A black guitar, not a silver spoon. And even today, the same question is closest to me. Have I made it large?
Seagram's Railstack Mega Music. It's your life. Make it large.
And moving further, we have now the best managed insurance companies of the year 2013. May I now invite on stage Mr. Ratnaraj Bajracharya, CEO of Global IME Bank Limited, who's also a member of the jury, to kindly share some of his experience on the jury process for this set of awards. Mr. Bajracharya, can we have you on stage, please?
This has been a very unique sort of experiences we have gone through, acting as a jury member.
Thank you, Mr. Bajracharya. And to do away with this, the first set of awards among the insurance, best managed insurance companies, to join Mr. Bajracharya on stage, allow me to invite on stage Mr. Mahesh Thapa.
Okay, so the best managed life insurance company of the year 2013 goes to Nepal Life Insurance Company Limited.
Nepal Life Insurance Company Limited.
Nepal Life Insurance Company has a record-breaking performance. We have highest premium collection, highest declaration of bonus, and highest dividend to our shareholders.
It's the best managed non-life insurance company. In the meantime, you can take your guesses.
The best managed non-life insurance company of the year 2013 for achieving outstanding growth in overall business parameters to the satisfaction of the stakeholders. NLG Insurance Company Limited.
NLG Insurance Company Limited.
we made all stakeholders' expectation to whatever extent we could do in year 2013, but now you guys have elevated that platform.
We will now honor the best woman entrepreneur of the year. Can I request Mrs. Ambika Shrestha, CEO of Supreme Development Bank, to kindly come up on stage and to shed light on the importance of this award.
We always talk about the women empowerment, and with these informations, we found women are well engaged in their tasks and every sector of the economy.
I'd like to request Ms. Anju Ranjan, Economic Counselor, Embassy of India, to join our ladies here on stage.
Our Women Entrepreneur of the Year 2013. Any guesses? For successfully leading high quality educational institute by setting up IEC Group that runs courses in fashion and interior designing and operates preschools that provide innovative early childhood services. Any guesses, sir? And MS Sailaja Adhikari.
Music changed, the plan was
Yes, Sailaja Adhikari.
just keep proving and he'll come back to you again.
Thank you very much. And Sailaja ji, could we...
Good evening, everyone. I'm really speechless. I want to thank all the jury members and new businesses. And at this juncture, I want to thank all the people who stood with me and encouraged me to live up with my dreams. I'm really missing my father, who passed away 5 months back, who always believed in me and encouraged me that you can do it.
Thank you and congratulations, Sailaja ji, and the person or the firm.
Social Entrepreneur of the Year 2013 is Mr. Deepak Prakash Maskota for his special contribution in setting up a self-sustaining model for rural development through Kanchanjunga Tea Estate, a socially responsible company with more than 100 rural farmers as shareholders in remote eastern hills of Nepal, producing and exporting organic tea to various international markets.
Applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the winner. I think he deserves it very much.
यो एवार्ड त्यहाँका किसानजनले 500-700 किसानजनले मलाई साथ दिए। मेरो भिजन मात्रै हो, ती किसानहरूको एवार्ड हो। किसानहरूलाई म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु। जुन किसानको प्रोडक्ट अघि यहाँ एनाउन्स भएको छ, हामी केही गर्दैनौँ। उनीहरूको घर घरमा बस्ने 700 भन्दा बढी किसानहरूको प्रोडक्टलाई केही ठुलो कुरा गरेको छैन। उनीहरूले उत्पादन गरेको गाउँको अदुवा, बेसार, लसुन, खोर्सानी, चिया, मसला यही उत्पादन गरेकोलाई अर्गानिक सर्टिफिकेसन दिलाइदिएका छौँ। अनि प्रोसेस प्याकिङ गरेर हामी संसारका 21वटा देशमा, युरोप, अमेरिका, क्यानाडामा बेच्छौँ। त्यही सर्भिस गरेको, अरू केही पनि गरेको होइन। तर यो मोडेल सक्सेसफुल मोडेल हो। गभर्मेन्टले, एनजिओले, आइएनजिओले यो गर्यो भने अनि हामी समृद्धि खोज्न कहीँ जानु पर्दैन, मलेसिया र अरब जानु पर्दैन भन्ने हाम्रो मान्यता छ। र म यो चौथो व्यक्तिको रूपमा मदनजी जसले उहाँ पुग्नुभयो, उहाँलाई यो सम्मान दिन चाहन्छु। मलाई 1 मिनट टाइम दिनु होला। पहिलो रिकग्नाइज कसले गरेको थियो म सुनाउन चाहन्छु। यो बगानमा मैले यो काम सुरु गरेपछि लेट किङ वीरेन्द्रले मलाई बोलाउनु भयो र 45 मिनटसम्म यसको बारे कुराकानी गरेपछि त्यो बेला पञ्चहरूले यहाँ ऋण दिनु हुँदैन, यो काङ्ग्रेसले चलाएको बगान हो भनेर 2 वर्षदेखि रोक्का गरिएको थियो। राजा वीरेन्द्रको हुकुम पर माङ्गीले कृषि विकास ब्याङ्कले लोन दिएर सुरु गरेको गार्डन हो। दोस्रो रिकग्नाइज मलाई तपाईहरु सबैले सुन्नुभएको होला, महर्षि महेश योगी जसले सोध्नुभयो तिमी के गर्छौ? म कृषिको काम गर्छु, किसानको छोरा हुँ, तर भिन्न कृषि छ। म अर्गानिक कृषि गर्छु भनेपछि मलाई हलेनमा उहाँको हेड क्वार्टर जहाँ क्यापिटल भनिन्छ त्यहाँ चाहिँ 4 वेदका 4 ब्राह्मणलाई 4 घडाबाट राखेर चाहिँ आशीर्वाद दिनुभएको थियो कि नेपालको प्राणी र भूमिलाई बचाउने तिमीलाई शक्ति मिलोस् भनेर। तेस्रो व्यक्ति हुनुहुन्थ्यो गिरिजाप्रसाद कोइराला, जसले यो मोडल हेर्नुभयो 45 सालमा, र तिमीले अनि 48 सालमा प्रधानमन्त्री भएपछि बोलाएर यस्तै मोडल देशभरि गर्नुपर्छ, यो कोअपरेटिभको बोर्डमा आएर बस्नु र कोअपरेटिभको ऐन नियम बनाउनु र नेपाल अधिराज्यभरि यही मोडलले देशको विकास गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने मलाई एउटा चाहिँ रिकग्नाइजेसन दिएको थियो। चौथो व्यक्ति मैले तपाईहरुलाई पाएँ, म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र आज म खुसी पनि छु। धन्यवाद।
And finally, before we call it a day, we head for the big one, the big award, they say so. That is the Lifetime Achievement Award in business in this maiden edition of Asian Paints New Biz Award. May I call on stage, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mr. Prabhakar S.J.B. Rana to declare the awards. And to join him on stage, may I invite Mr. Keshav Gautam, NBA Director, and again, the business legend, Mr. Sujit Mundal, to do the honors.
Thank you. I think it's very emotional and very important announcement that I would like to do is the Lifetime Achievement Award for his very special contribution in the development of tourism industry in the country. As a leader of the KGS group of hotels and resorts and leading the Visit Nepal year 1998 as a campaign. This award also recognizes his special contribution for the nature and heritage conservation as well as in the establishment of specialized institutes for the treatment and care of cancer patients in the country, none other than Mr. Korno Sakya. Please join your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Give him a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Shakya could not be here in person owing to his state of health.
आर्थिक अभियान समूहबाट आयोजना गरिएको यो सम्मान कार्यक्रममा मेरो नाम पनि मनोनयन भएको छ भन्ने कुरा सुनेर मलाई धेरै खुसी लाग्यो। अहिले मेरो आँखाको कारण मैले समारोहमा भाग लिन सकेन। म भोलि नै चाहिँ ब्याङ्कक उड्दै छु यो आँखाको उपचार गर्नको निमित्त। तर चाहिँ यो आर्थिक अभियान समूहले जुन किसिमले नेपालमा एउटा आर्थिक क्रान्ति र आर्थिक विकासको निमित्त जुन एउटा सहयोग र जुन योगदान दिइरहेको छ, म त्यसमा धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र मलाई यो मनोनयन गरेकोमा म आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। अहिलेको परिस्थितिमा नेपालमा विभिन्न संसार यो क्षेत्रले यो अन्तहीन र अर्थहीन राजनीतिक क्रियाकलापलाई बढी प्राथमिकता दिएर जुन किसिमले चाहिँ यो सञ्चार माध्यम सञ्चालन भइरहेको छ, त्यो अवस्थामा यो अभियान समूहले आर्थिक पक्षलाई ध्यानमा राखेर आर्थिक पक्षको विकासको कुरालाई लिएर मुद्दालाई लिएर थुप्रै विभिन्न पत्रपत्रिकाहरू सञ्चालन भइरहेको छ। यो हामी उद्यमीहरूको निमित्त धेरै ठुलो गर्वको कुरा हो। मलाई के भन्न मन लाग्छ भने अहिलेको अवस्थामा नेपालमा राष्ट्र विकासको निमित्त धन कमाउने किसान मात्र होइन, धान कमाउने किसानको पनि त्यति नै आवश्यकता पर्छ। धान कमाउने किसान भनेको उद्यमी हो र उद्यमीलाई अवहेलना गरेर उद्यमीलाई पहिचान नगरिकन उद्यमीलाई उत्साहित नगरिकन देश विकास हुनै सक्दैन। धानले पेट भर्छ तर धनले देश भर्छ। त्यसले धन उमार्ने उद्यमीहरूलाई जुन प्रोत्साहन गर्ने कार्यक्रम लिएर उद्देश्य लिएर यो अभियान समूहले जुन काम गरिराख्नु भएको छ, त्यसको निमित्त म हार्दिक बधाई ज्ञापन गर्न चाहन्छु। अहिले नेपालमा थुप्रै उद्यमीहरू छन्, सक्षम र सबल उद्यमीहरू छन्, तर राजनीतिक अथवा अन्य एउटा चाहिँ यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि थुप्रै युवाहरू ब्रेन ड्रेन भइरहेको छ, मसल ड्रेन भइरहेको छ। यद्यपि थुप्रै युवाहरू देश विदेशबाट फर्केर फेरि नेपालमा उद्योग सञ्चालन गर्दै आइरहेको छ। यस्तो अवस्थामा उद्यमीहरूलाई उत्साहित गर्नु, यस्तो अवस्थामा उद्यमीहरूलाई चाहिँ बाटो देखाउनु र चाहिँ सकारात्मक सोच यो त देखाइदियो भने यो देश विकास हुन्छ र यसको निमित्त यो पत्रिकाले, यो समूहले धेरै राम्रो काम गर्नुभएको छ र चाहिँ म यो यस्तो काम गर्नुभएकोमा म धन्यवाद ज्ञापन गर्दै मलाई यो सञ्चार माध्यमले आयोजना गर्नुभएको यो सम्मान कार्यक्रममा मेरो नाम पनि मनोनयन गरिदिनु भएकोमा म आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु.
Before we wrap up the show, may I invite on stage for the vote of thanks Professor Ujjwal Kumar Chaudhary, who is a senior consultant with the New Business Age and also former Dean of Symbiosis International University, Pune. Mr. Professor Ujjwal Kumar Chaudhary for the vote of thanks, ladies and gentlemen.
It has been a long day, so no time to make any speech. I'm an extremely happy person today. 6 months earlier, in the New Business Age editorial office, we had a discussion of expanding the then concept of Business Excellence Awards into a movement, and that resulted in the 7% growth movement you had been seeing on page 2 of Arthik Abhiyan, in the page 3 of the corporate, and also in the pages of New Business Age, culminating into today's publication that you had seen earlier, the discussion that had been there, and the awards that you have got just now, people have got just now. I'm remembering at this point of time something that my teacher, my social science teacher, taught me long back in the school. He said, "It is not the amount of baggage that you bring in when you come in." Please mark these words. I know it's quite late in the evening, but that's the parting message maybe that we can take. It is not the amount of baggage that you bring in when you come in. It is the footprints that you leave when you walk out. Today we leave with strong footprints here on this soil of honoring certain people who deserve the honor and creating certain role models for the people and the economy.
For us, especially for us Nepalis, time indeed is short, ladies and gentlemen. Challenges are many, and at the same time, opportunities are immense and rewards, of course, are great. Everything you contribute or you offer will contribute ultimately in making of a better society, a new and a prosperous Nepal.
Amazing textures from Asian Paints Royal Play. Feel the change.
अरे वाह राकेश, कति महिना अगाडि पेन्ट गरायो? क्या कलर छ? भेरी नाइस.
थ्याङ्क्स. राम्रो राम्रो देखिरहेछ तिम्रो घर राकेश. भेरी नाइस. थ्याङ्क्स.
अरे वाह, फ्यान्टास्टिक चमक छ घरको यार. बाबु थोरै लेफ्ट. राकेश, घर धेरै सुहाएको छ यार.
च्यालेर त फेरि
मैले त उसलाई घुम्टोमा देखेर नै मन पराइसकेको थिएँ. छोरी, तिमी पनि केही भन उसको बारेमा.
हजुर, तपाईँ धेरै नै राम्रो.
नरजाऊ भन.
धेरै राम्रो रङ लगाउनु भएको छ घरमा.
एसियन पेन्ट अल्टिमा लगाउनु भयो भने सबै घरको बारेमा मात्रै सोध्छन्. के तपाईलाई मन्जुर छ?
No matter what, protect your walls with Royale. It comes with Teflon Surface Protector.
Mr. Sharma?
Yes?
1 minute. Mr. Sharma, इन्भेस्टमेन्ट गोल्डमा गरौँ कि शेयर्समा?
तर तपाईँ को हो?
मेरो सम्पत्ति कसको नाम गरौँ?
मलाई के थाहा?
पुरा गर!
तपाईँ समझदार हुनुहुन्छ। तपाईँ भन्नुहोस् हडताल कहिले बन्द गरौँ?
मिस्टर शर्मा, कुन चाहिँ तार काटौँ? निलो या पहिलो? छिटो!
यो सबै के भइरहेछ?
एशियन पेन्ट्सको ट्र्याक्ट एमल्सन जो लगाउनु भएको छ सबैले तपाईलाई समझदार सम्झिन्छन् नै किनकि यो अरू डिस्टेम्पर भन्दा 1.5 गुणा धेरै फैलिन्छ र कम दाममा दिन्छ प्लास्टिक पेन्टको शान। ट्र्याक्ट एमल्सन, समझदार चोइस।
सबैलाई रातो टीका, सबैलाई नेपाल लाइफ।
चिरञ्जीवी भव नेपाल लाइफ, किनकि जीवन अमूल्य छ। अब नेपाल लाइफको रु 60 देखि 80 सम्मको सर्वाधिक बोनस दरले उच्चतम प्रतिफल प्राप्त गर्नुहोस्।
यी थिए सामान्य समाचार। अब आर्थिक समाचार।
माफ गर्नुहोला।
ताजा आर्थिक समाचार खोज्नु भएको
हो।
पढ्नुहोस् आर्थिक अभियान राष्ट्रिय दैनिक। हरेक दृष्टि आर्थिक कोण।
Back then, I had it all. A big mansion, celebrity parents, and some say a silver spoon. But closer to my heart was a question: have I made it large? From silver spoon to the silver screen, and then to a billion hearts. The journey was tough, but Langra Tyagi made it. So did the same question: have I made it large? Even today, it seems I have it all. A black guitar, not a silver spoon. And even today, the same question is closest to me: have I made it large?
Seagram's Royal Stag Mega Music. It's your life. Make it large.
यी हुन् मिस्टर रवि, निमाजीको छिमेकी। अलि ईर्ष्यालु स्वभावका अनि त्यति स्मार्ट सायद हुनुहुन्न। यी हुन् मिस्टर निमा, रविजीको छिमेकी। अलि हँसिलो स्वभावका साथै धेरै स्मार्ट हुनुहुन्छ। निमाजीले आफ्नो घरको टाइलको सुरक्षा गर्न कुन रङ लगाउलान् भनेर रविलाई खस लागेको छ। त्यसैले आज रवि खुसी छन्। तर 5 वर्ष बित्दा पनि निमाजीको घरको टाइल जस्ताको त्यस्तै देखेर रविजी चिन्तित छन्। तर निमाजीको घरमा खुसियाली छाएको छ।
एपेक्स टाइल गार्ड, जसले तपाईको घरको टाइललाई घाम पानी र लेउ लाग्नबाट जोगाउँछ। यसमा छ वर्षाको पानीसँगै टाइल सफा गर्ने लोटस लीफ प्रविधि।
एपेक्स टाइल गार्ड,
राइट चोइस फर ब्राइट
people.
Asian Paints presents New Business Age Conclave and Business Excellence Awards 2013, the roadmap to doubling of growth of the Nepali economy to 7% GDP, in association with Seagram's Royal Stag and National Insurance Company. 24th August 2013 at Solti Crown Plaza. Media partner Arthik Abhiyan, The Corporate, Himalaya Television, Headlines and Music FM, supported by Nepal Life Insurance.